First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 12 for grade 2 mathematics. What we were learning, what we have learned yesterday, guys, we learned the concept of before, after, and between with the help of number line, or without number line. Also, you are able to find out the number which is before, after a given number, or you can find out the number which is between two numbers. So, guys, whenever you need to find out the number uh, which is before a given number or after a given number, like example, what number comes after 253. So you will check after 253, when you count what comes, so that is 254. In that way you can say that 254 comes after 253. Whenever you need to find out the number which comes before any number, like here is a question, what number comes before 253. So you will check the number which is exactly before, or when you count back what comes before 253. So in the number line you can check, this is 252, so you can say 252 comes before 253, right? And when you need to find out the number which is between two numbers, like what number comes between 254 and 255, 256, so you will check out the two numbers, and this is the number which is between. Or you can check after 254 what comes, or you can check before 256 what comes. In both ways you can find out the number which is between these two numbers. Clear, guys? Up to here everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's very good. On page number 18, we started skip counting in ones, twos, and threes. I will revise this topic again in detail, skip counting in ones, twos, and threes. And we will also discuss skip counting in fives, tens, and hundreds. Okay. So, guys, when you are skip counting in ones, so you are actually counting in ones. Okay. Like you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, as you are simply counting, you are counting in ones, right? So if you look at this pattern, 163, 164, 165, so you are actually counting in ones. 106 tens, they both are same in all the numbers, 106 tens, 106 tens, 106 tens, 106 tens. The only number that is changed, that is the ones, okay? It is 163, 164, 165, so the next number should be 166. When you count in the one. So this is the easy number pattern. You can easily identify it. So if I ask you what the pattern is, so you will say, sir, we are actually counting in ones here. But guys, the pattern could be like this also. 169 and 168, 167. Then what will come next? Okay. So in this pattern, we are also counting in ones here. But here we are not actually counting in ones, we are actually counting back in ones. How do you know that? Because the first number here is bigger. 169 is bigger than 168. So this number series is arranged from largest to smallest, biggest to smallest. So whenever a series is arranged from biggest to smallest, that's mean it is, we are counting back, we are not counting, right? If you look a normal series, look at here, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So these numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. 5 is smaller than 6, then 7, then 8, then bigger, then bigger, then bigger, like this. But if I write same number like this, I write 8 first, then 7, then 6, then 5. So the difference between these numbers are also 1. But here these are arranged from biggest to smallest. So here we are counting back in ones. Okay. So counting and counting back concept is clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
That's very good. So in this pattern, counting, you are counting in ones, and this is the easy pattern, right? So the missing number is 166, and you said I am counting in ones. This is start from 163 and we count on in ones. Now the next is escape counting in twos. Escape counting in twos. If you look at this number pattern, what number comes next? Before going to that number, guys, I would like to give you easy example. Look at this number. 2, 4, 6, 8. Here I am also counting in twos. Okay. But you can see that this is the easy example. Here, 3 digits numbers are used, and I used only a single one digit to show you the easy example in counting in twos. Guys, to count in twos, you can either open your two fingers, okay, or you can use the two lines like this. Look, this is 2. After 2, what comes when I am counting in twos? So I draw two lines because I'm counting in twos. That's why I draw two lines. After 2, what comes? 3 and 4. Look, this is 4. After 4, what comes? I will count 5 and 6. So I write 6. After 6, what comes? 7, 8. After 8, what comes? 9, 10. After 10, what comes? 11, 12. After 12, what comes? 13, 14. So in the same way, I can write many more numbers in this series. So you can use your fingers also. You can use your fingers and you can count, open your two fingers and count after 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and you can make a pattern of counting in twos. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, guys, if I write here, look, this if I write 8, 10, 6, 10, 4, and I ask what will come next. So from 8 to 6, I'm going back. Obviously, I'm not going, I'm not counting, I'm counting back because the number is arranged from small, from largest to smallest, right? So if I draw two lines, if I draw one line here and I count 8, 9, so it is not bigger, it is smaller. Okay, I count one, then I will count back. Before 8, what comes? 7. Before 7, 6. So 8, before 8, 7, and before 7, 6. Okay. So that's mean we are counting back in twos. Again, I will check. Before 6, what comes? 5. And then 4. So I can find out the next number also. Before 4, what comes? 3. And then 2. So it should be 2. So the pattern here is I'm counting back in twos. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now look here, guys. In this pattern, it is 251, then 249, 247. So this 251 is bigger than 249 or smaller than 249? 251 is bigger than 249 or smaller? Yes, guys.
Bigger.
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 Very good. 251 is bigger than 249. Right? So that's mean the series is arranged from largest to smallest. Largest to smallest. Okay. So you will check the number which is before 251. So before 251, you check. This is 250. Before 250, this is 249, and you find out this is 249. So you are counting back in twos. Again, 248, 247. This is 247. 246, 245. This is 245. 244, 243. So the next number will be 240. 240. This will be your next 240. Or you can check with the help of number line also. Look, this is 251. You are going back. 1, 2, 249. 1, 2, 247. 1, 2, 245. And 1, 2, 242. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Okay. So, what is your pattern here? The pattern here is counting back. Okay. Counting back in what? Counting back in twos. Here you are count on in ones. Count on means you are moving forward. Count back means you are moving backward. Looking the number which is before. Okay. Now look here. Escape counting in threes. Escape counting in threes. The easy example. 3, 6, 9, 12. If you want to escape count in threes, open 3 fingers or draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. After 3, count 4, 5, 6. This is 6. Then 7, 8, 9. This is 9. 10, 11, 12. This is 12. Then if this is the missing number, so what you need to do? Count in threes. 13, 14, and 15. So 15 is the answer. This is your counting in threes. Same you can apply to that example. This is 306. This is 306. So draw 3 lines. You are in check. Even after 306, you check. 307, 308, and 309. So you are counting on threes. So again, 310, 311, and 312. So this is 312. You can check again. 313, 314, and 315. So this is you are counting in threes. A series is arranged in smallest to largest order, and you are counting in threes. So in this number pattern, start from 306 and you are counting on in threes. Why on in threes, not back? Because threes is arranged from smallest to largest. Or you can check with the help of number line also. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now on page number 19. Escape counting in fives. Escape counting in fives. In escape counting in fives, can again I give you the simple example first. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. So you are adding 5, 10, 15, or you are adding fives. In this pattern, I add 5. This is I am counting in fives, and this is the easy example. Okay, in the single or 2-digit form. So if you want to count in fives, you can open your 5 fingers, or you can draw 5 lines also, or you can count in any ways. Okay. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. After 20, what will come? 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. After 25, what will come? 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. In this way, you can count in fives and you can write a full series. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. You can open your 5 finger and you can count in your fingers as well. This was the easy example, guys. Now here, we will take the book example. Let's suppose this is 455, 460, 465, 470. Then what will come next? Let's suppose this is this pattern. Okay. Before coming to the book example, look at this pattern. So look, this is 55. I draw here 456, 57, 457, 58, 458, 59, 459, 60, 460. How many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's mean we are counting in 5s here. Okay. So I found out after 450, this is 460. Identified the pattern. This is we are counting in 5s. Now I need to write the missing number. After 470, what comes? 471, 472, 473, 474, and 475. So the answer will be here 475. We are counting in 5s here. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. So this is the easy, guys. But if you look at the book example, guys, so here you have 470, then 465. So please check and tell me 470 is bigger than 465 or smaller than 465. 470 is bigger than 465 or smaller than 465.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, for what? I am asking 470 is bigger or smaller than 465.
Bigger, 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 bigger.
Oh, oh.
Tara, tara.
Exactly, guys. 470 is bigger than 465. So, guys, I told you when the series is arranged from largest to smallest, from biggest to smallest, so we are actually counting back. Look here. I will check the number before 470. What number comes before 70? 69. 469. Then 468, 67, 467, 66, 466, and 65, 465. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I count back in fives and I found out the next number. So here 455, I again count back in fives. 54, 454, 53, 453, 52, 452, 51, 451, and 50, 450. So the answer will be 450. So here the pattern is count back in fives. Here we are counting back in fives. We are checking the number which is before 70, before 470. Okay, so that's why this is, we are counting back in fives. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes, yes,
sir.
Very good. Now, guys, let's come to the topic skip counting in tens. Skip counting in tens is also very easy, guys. Now you are counting in tens. You will count in tens. Let's take a quick example. Easy example. The easy example will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like this. So guys, in this, whenever you're counting in tens, so you will find that its ones place will always be same. Look, 0, 0, 0, 0. One place will always be same. Only the place that will change, that is tens. Only the place which will change, that is tens. And you will add 1 in the tens, and you will count in, ones for the tens, and you will find the answer. Like this is 10, 1 0. So this will be 2 0. This will be 3 0, 4 0, 5 0, 6 0, 7 0, 8 0, 9 0, 10 0, 11 0, 12 0, up to so on. Okay. So whenever you are counting in tens, what you need to remember, that the place on the ones will never change. I can give you the easy example, except like if I am counting from 5, okay, 5, then 15, then 25. Okay, so look, the place on the ones is same, 5, 5, 5, but on the tens it is increased by ones. Here it was 0, then 1, 2, 3, 35, 45, 55, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. So whenever you are counting in tens, so the place on the ones will be always same. It will never change. Only the place which will change, that is tens place. And you will change the tens place by counting it by ones. Am I clear, guys?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now look at the book example. In the book example, it is 905, 905, then 915, 925, 935. What will come next? Okay. So if you look here, so 9 and 5 are same in all the numbers. 9, 5, 9, 5, 9, 5. The only number that is changed is the number on the tens place. It was 0, then it is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3. So after 3, what comes?
4.
4. 4. Very good. So you will write 9 and 5, because 9 and 5 are same in all the series. But after 3, what comes? 4. So this will be your answer. After 935, 945 comes. If I ask what number will come after 945, so 9 will be same, 5 will be same, but instead of 4 now, it will be 5. It will be 955. then 965, then 975, then 985. Clear, guys?
Yes,
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 Very good. Okay, I'm writing here a number. Let's suppose this is 213, 213, 213, 223, 233, 243. Just wait a minute, guys. Hmm. 13, 23, 33, 43. This is the number pattern, guys. Okay, look at this number pattern. So look here, guys, 2 and 3 are same in all the numbers. Only the number that is changed is on the tens place. 1, 2, then 3, then 4. So can you tell me what will come next? Yes, guys, in the chat box, can you tell me what will come next? What will come next in this pattern? Yes, guys, I need your answers in the chat box. Muhammad Talha, Yusuf, Muhammad Momin, very good. Ahmad Al-Badi, very good. Muhammad Kashan, I think it's a typing mistake. Muhammad, very good. Muhammad Ali, very good. Suleiman Tariq, very good. Muhammad Mashti, very good. Uzaifa Rashid, very good. Suleiman Abdullah, wrong answer. Omar Nizar, no. Very good, Muhammad Almas. Very good, Umar Amin. So, guys, you are counting in tens. If you look here in the numbers, its ones place is same 3, 3, 3, 3. Its 100 place is also same. Ones place is also same. After 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, what comes? 5. After it, if you want to write 2 is same, 3 is same, but after 5, what comes? 6. So it will be 263. Clear, guys?
yes,
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 yes, yes, yes, yes,
Very good. Or guys, you can do it with the help of number line as well. 905, then 96, 907, 908, 909, 910, 911, 912, 913, 914, and this is 950. Okay. So after 915, 925, 935, and that will be 945. Now we will learn about skip counting in hundreds. Guys, skip counting in hundreds is very similar to skip counting in tens. The only difference is here you will change the place of the 100 and other two places will remain same. Other two places, the tens place and the one place, they will remain same. This 40 will remain same in all the numbers. Look, all the numbers, the 40 will remain same. Only the number with that which will change, that is the number on the hundreds. Okay. I write it. Let's suppose this number I'm writing it 440, 540, 640, 740. So look at this number, guys. 440, 540, 640, and 740. Okay. So 40, 40 are same. This 40, 40 you will find same in all the series. It will never change. Only the number that will change, that is on the 100. 4, 5, 6, 7. Then after 7, what comes? 8. 840. After 8, what comes? 940. After 9, what comes? 1040. After 10, what comes? 1140. So the number on the 100 place will be changed only. The numbers on the ones and the tens are will be always same when you are counting in hundreds. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Not only in this example, you can take any number. Let's suppose I take 151. Okay. So I know 51. I can write 51, 51, 51. Look. I know the last two digits will be always same, but here is 1. So after 1, what comes? 251. After 2, what comes? 351. After 3, what comes? 451. After 4, 551. And then 651. So this is I am counting in hundreds. So to count in hundreds, just you write the same digits on the tens and on the ones and add ones in the hundreds place. In that way, you can easily count in hundreds. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now look here. This is 4, 5. After 5, 6. After 7, 6, 7. And after 7, what comes? 8. So it will be 840. 840 will be the answer. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. On page number 20 now, we have some questions. Write the number that is 1 less than 259. Write the number that is 1. Write the number that is 1 less than 259. Okay. So we want to check the number which is less than 259. So check the number which is before 259. Before 259 is 258. Write the number that is 10 more than 621. So 10 more than 621 will be what? For that you can add 10 and 621. And you can add tens simply as well. 1, 2, 1, 3, and this is 6. You can count in tens also. After 621, adding 10 is very easy. These two will be same, only this 2 will become 3. So it will be 6, 31. Check my answers, guys. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's very good. All right, guys. Now question number 3. Write the number that comes between 511 and 513. 511 and 513. So in order to find out the number which comes between these two numbers, you have two ways. Either you check the number which comes after 511 or you check the number which comes before 513. So tell me the number which comes after 511. Yes, guys. After 511, which number comes?
512.
511.
Very good. 512. After 511, the number that comes, that is 512. And if you want to check, so 513, before 513, what comes? That is 5, 1. So this will be the answer. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right, guys. So we will complete up to question number 4 today. And this pattern question number 4 we will do tomorrow. In the 2 minutes, we will revise what we have learned. Now you can skip counting in fives, you can skip counting in tens, you can skip counting in hundreds. Guys, in skip counting in one, twos, threes, and fours and fives, you can use drawing lines, you can use your fingers, okay? And I tell you the technique for skip counting in tens, hundreds, okay? What is the technique for that? When you skip counting in tens, so forget about the ones, forget about the hundreds. Concentrate only on the tens. Okay, and increase the tens by ones. Like 905 to 915, 925, 935, 945, 955, 965, 975, and so on. When you are counting in hundreds, so forget about the ones, forget about the tens. Focus on hundreds only. And increase hundreds by ones. This is 450. So 4 after 4, 5, 440, 540, 640, 740, 840, 940. Let's suppose if it is 391. Let's suppose if it is 391. And I say count in hundreds. So forget about 91. 391, 491, 591, 691, 791, 891, 991. Clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Very good, guys. I hope skip mounting is very clear to you. Inshallah, we'll complete question number 4 tomorrow. And until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye, bye, sir.
Sir.
Bye, bye.
Hindi ako.
Bye bye.